Hi everyone. In this video, we are going to see how to resolve BMC Discovery user interface accessibility issues when the tideway services are up and running. Now, this is one of the BMC Discovery instance, and as you can see, when I try to access the URL, I see the error message which says connection refused. Now, this is one of the generic error messages that we see. As part of the initial checks, we would now check what is the status of the tideway services. In order to do that, log into Discovery command line as tideway user and use the command tw service control --status. Now this command will tell you the status of BMC Discovery application services. As you can see, all the BMC Discovery application services are running and are in the state OK, which means that there is no issue with the tideway services. Sometimes rebooting the server also lands up to the same error message. In order to troubleshoot such scenarios, it is important to check whether or not the HTTPD service is running. In order to do that, you need to be logged in as a root user. As you can see, now I'm logged in as root user. Now, in order to check what is the status of the HTTPD service, I will use the command systemctl status httpd. Now, as you can see, the HTTPD service is inactive, which means the reason behind the URL not being accessible is that the HTTPD service is in the stop state or is inactive. And sometimes when the server is getting rebooted, this service does not start automatically. Now, in order to restart this service to bring back the UI, we will use the command service httpd restart. Now this command will actually start the HTTPD service which was earlier in stop state. Now I would go back and see what is the status of the HTTPD service, and I'll use the command systemctl status httpd. Now as you can see, the status of the HTTPD service is active and running, which means that now there should not be any problem while accessing the Discovery UI. Let's go back and check whether the UI is now accessible for us or not. I'm going to access this Discovery URL and see if that works. As you can see, the UI page loads and now I can log in as a system user. As you can see, the UI is now accessible and I can go ahead and perform the daily tasks. Thanks for watching this video. I hope this helps.